Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and right now I'm at the Cambodian Buddhist Temple enjoying the fall festivities. If you haven't had a chance to come here, you definitely should. They have delicious food and beautiful sights. Hot topics, I'd like to mention the Jamaican shampoo. If you're looking to get the luster, the look to your locks and your hair, the Jamaican shampoo is for you. The link is on the screen right now and in the link in the description below. The Jamaican shampoo and the Jamaican clothing line. Make sure to get yourself some. Dr. Ross, she can't be here right now because she's working on the Personals.xyz and her 21 other children's books and 25 different movie scripts. Because we're going to be filming tomorrow, so make sure to subscribe to our Instagram to get the latest updates on the Personals. And we're going to be working on tons of different things. But let's get straight into our hot topics.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Starting it off with Lil Boosie saying that he can rejuvenate Tiffany Haddish's career after all of the debacles going on. Thumbs down. Our next hot topic is with Meghan Markle. So Meghan Markle is saying that she wasn't paid for her royal, quote-unquote, royal tour during the Queen's passing. Meghan has infiltrated, and she's a player. You can't hate the player, hate the game. Keep on doing you, Meghan. She's now got all of the money and much, much more. And we know that she's working out a deal with Charles to spread a little bit of the money. Let's get into our next and final hot topic with Larsa Pippen. So it is now confirmed that Larsa Pippen is dating Michael Jordan's son. You know, Larsa Pippen, she's a player, and I congratulate her on what she's doing. She's going out there, getting different things done, living her life. Keep on doing you, Miss Pippen. The next time we're in Miami or LA, we'll have to take you out for lunch, brunch, or dinner.
Yes, sir.
These were all of our hot topics. We have places to be and food to eat. But we'll see you on the next episode.